Hi guys, I'm just here because someone requested a video of how I blow dry my hair. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you. So I just washed my hair with the Monat volumizing set, so the shampoo and conditioner. And then I used the rejuvabeads. So this is the split end mender. So I used 3 pumps of this, and you just rub it into your hands, and I kind of just pulled that through mostly my ends, and then pulled it a little bit up kind of into the mid shaft of my hair. So after that, this is kind of the product. So I'm not quite done adding product into my hair before I blow dry it out. So the next product I'm going to use is this blowout cream, and I just need a really small amount of this, just a tiny bit. So depending on how kind of dry your hair is or how oily it is, you're going to kind of put a different amount of this in. So I'm just slowly kind of running it through my hair, making sure that I'm getting it kind of through all of the ends and evenly through the rest of my hair. This stuff smells so good. It's insane. Kind of like lemony candy. It's delicious. Awesome. So I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think I need any more. I'm just going to give my hair a quick brush, just to help kind of spread that product out. So if I was planning to straighten my hair, I would have started blow drying my hair a little bit earlier, just because I have a natural wave to my hair, so I kind of need to not let it dry naturally, because it just makes straightening time a lot shorter, which means less heat on my hair if I can kind of straighten it mostly with my blow dryer. But this is just going to be just a normal blow dry. All right, so that is all through my hair. So now I'm going to start. I do not even like spread my hair out and like partition it and blow dry it piece by piece. I blow dry it with it all down. Yeah, just sitting down. So this is gonna get a little loud. I'm gonna play some music. There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Awesome. So that's pretty good. So I do use my brush until it's mostly dry, like 90% dry, and then I do the rest just with my fingers. And what that allows is it just kind of pulls the natural wave out of my hair as I blow dry it, and it just helps straighten kind of the part of my hair that's closest to my head, which means that I don't have to, if I am straightening it, I don't have to straighten as close to the root and damage higher up on my hair. I can just kind of smooth at the ends. And I also find using a brush when you blow dry your hair gives you a little bit more volume near the roots. So what's nice is because of these awesome styling products, my hair looks super smooth, even just with the blow dry. And when I sleep on this and wake up in the morning, like it's gonna, just by sleeping on it a little bit, will just kind of almost, I don't want to say flatten it a bit, but it almost makes my hair appear as if I did straighten it. And I don't even need to. So yeah, this is kind of a nice blowout in 2 seconds. It was really fast. So I could go out like this. I don't need any other styling product. I don't need to straighten, I don't need to curl. It's just got a really awesome kind of full body kind of holds to it, and that's only from using a blow dry cream and the blow dryer. So I'm pretty happy with how these products are working for my hair. I just feel like it looks like my hair is a lot fuller, it looks a lot healthier, the color is amazing. Yeah, these products are pretty insane. So just to recap, wash my hair with the volume system. I got out of the shower and used the rejuvabeads, which is the split end mender. And then I just follow that up with the blow dry cream. Yeah, a blow dry, and that's it. If my hair was super dry, I could add a few drops just of the Rejuvenique oil, rub it into my hands and just kind of add that onto the ends. But I'm probably gonna sleep on it, and if I need it tomorrow morning, that's what I'll do. So yeah, ask me if you have any other questions, but glad I got to show you how I blow dry my hair. Thanks so much for watching. Hit like on the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!